So again, here we have our lovely mannequin as our model, and I'm starting out gestural. I'm finding the cross contour. I'm working very spherical, finding drastic angles. Then I'm coming in with a harder, darker drawing utensil. And now I'm sort of exploring the box shapes to kind of line everything up, and now I'm mixing the geometrical, angular, linear with this round, spherical gesture. And now I'm kind of exploring with following through on the cross contour, but very lightly, not making a full wraparound, and that's creating that concave and convex. Here off to the side, I'm making a smaller diagram of the bean shape of the torso and the pelvis where they meet, and very loosely with cross contour, it looks like springs of a slinky coming out as reference for the legs. And I'm kind of just loosely finding that curvature of the form of the torso and the pelvis, and I'm exploring that as sort of the cylindrical disc for an example of how the form is turning and when it is turning. And this goes back to another demo I did of illustrating with that tape. That tape, when it turns, the tilt changes as if we're looking into the tape or if we're looking down into the tape. Now, because I was able to mark down some cross contour, now I'm sort of drawing, illustrating some exaggerated leg pose with my crayon. And now I'm just illustrating through the box shape how I was able to create such a pinch where the rib and the pelvis meet to create a very dynamic form. And I'm just illustrating here that from step to step I was able to locate where everything was. I was mapping out the mass as an entirety, starting from the torso, then moving down to the pelvis, the legs, and then if my mannequin had arms, I would then move into the arms or the limbs, and that would include the head. And now I'm again pushing back the mannequin with some shellac and denatured alcohol. Now I'm currently reiterating the form with my directional lines that I was able to find very early on with my gesture drawing. Using cross contour, I'm able to create these hatch mark makings to sort of be able to find the directional range of the form, thus creating a three-dimensional object. And here I'm starting to demonstrate the form of the cylindrical form. If I were to break down the mannequin's angle, very simplicity, that's what it would be with the axis line running all the way through it.